2024 has been a breakthrough year for the Filmora mobile features, bringing cutting-edge features to empower creators and make editing on the go more intuitive than ever. A journey filled with stories, laughter, and unforgettable memories. A time when every moment mattered, and every memory found its place in our hearts. Here's a recap of its standout capabilities that made waves this year. Celebrate creativity memories. Because every click, cut, and transition tells a story worth remembering.